Today I'm gonna fight nature with nature using beneficial nematodes. Come on, let's spread them out. Before we can get started though, we have to wet down all the areas where we want our nematodes to cover. Make sure that the soil is nice and wet. So we're gonna spray down our beds and the surrounding areas, or you could do this on kind of a rainy day. We're distributing the nematodes here in the evening because they do not like direct sunlight. Now that I've wet down the areas in the yard that I want the nematodes to go, I have these nematodes. I got 5 million of them, and they will hopefully eat up some of the bad bugs, and they've been in the refrigerator, and so we're going to put them into our canister here and then attach them to the hose. Our little friends are going to go in. Whoops, I got some that are stuck. Now we're going to fill up to the 32-ounce mark with water. Which is the very top mark. Let's see, I think I'm supposed to do I need to give them a stir? Maybe. It doesn't say I need to stir them. I'm gonna stir them. Now we're going to put our top on, and I have this little knob set to 8 ounces. I don't know if you can see that, but it's set to 8 ounces, which is what the instructions say, for 5 million nematodes. So now we're going to take this outside and spray the yard down. So now that we have our nematodes in here, I'm going to get these prepared beds, spray all around here, because last year I had some terrible bugs get into my tomatoes, and so I'm hoping that the nematodes will take care of them. Going to spread all around right here. Here's some of my friends that have joined me from next door. And I'm also going to spray this area. Whoop, be careful. I'm going to spray this area right here. Huh? What about the don't get in the way of it? It's got bugs in it. These are beneficial nematodes. So what they do is they will later eat the other bugs. And I want it to come out here a little bit too. But we're just going to take care of all the stuff that could eat. You see that tree? That's called a loquat tree. Put down the loquat. Right there. It's growing more tree. But that's a loquat. Don't pick it off. Now we're gonna get these areas out here. And hopefully this will cut down on the amount of pests that we see. Oh look, we have some garlic coming in. I was late on my garlic. put it over the strawberries. We'll put it in these beds that I've yet to plant in. Hopefully we'll just be really well prepared this year. And so I'm hoping that since it's still cooler weather, that these guys are going to survive, and that then very soon they're going to thrive and take out, I hope they'll take out some of our bad pests. If this works, I'm going to be super excited this year. We'll get the pathways, get all in some of our brush. I normally don't have trouble with them, with anything getting into the scuppernongs. But sometimes back in here, even though I'm not growing anything specifically back here, this is where a lot of pests like to come to hatch and live. So we're hopefully setting up for success. Spray some out in this area. We have some onions, a little bit of onion coming up over here. Yeah, we're almost done with our nematodes, so I'm gonna get some of this area. We're stuck. Gonna get this area over here, since some baddies might want to hang out in this spot and over here, and then we've almost, I think, yep, now we've finished up. No more nematodes. So we'll see how it goes. I'll give you a report. Hopefully we've taken care of it. So we'll see. We'll do a report later on this summer as our things are growing. And hopefully our nematodes, we've treated them well and they will do their job. But we're gonna give it a shot, fighting nature with nature. See you next time.